working closely with people like Wired By, it makes the job easier. Their understanding of the industry and all the home automation stuff, for me, it takes that pain away from me as a lighting supplier to have to worry about it. I know that I can walk into a home after Michael's dealt with myself and the team there at Vibe and have a great result there for the end user. So the project that ourselves, Vibe and Wired By and Moss Architects worked on, in my opinion, you walk through that project and the lighting is just indirect and low glare and very comfortable and subtle to actually be to sit down, have a coffee or have a beer. That whole lighting design and that whole concept was absolutely amazing. You look at some people's homes when we've got dimmers involved and we've got other bits and pieces, and you could have two sort of 4-gang switches or something along those lines on the wall. Getting into the automation side is it's amazing. It's a touch screen. It looks sleek. It looks clean. It's and obviously it goes with all the technology of today. So to me, it's the way to go.